So a while ago, we've been using Google Scholar and we've removed Google Patent as a citation. Now let's head over to Google's Google Patent searching tool. So this would be another tool for you to use for referencing. This time, this is for technology inventions, softwares, and many more. Head over to your Chrome and search for Google Patent. Google Patents is different from Google Scholar because most of the articles in Google Scholar are journal-based. Google Patent is far more into the intellectual property. It indexes all of the intellectual property websites of a country. So let's head over to Google Patents. Here, you still have a very similar search engine. So what if I would like to search for a gaming console? There. So the gaming console is a device. There are devices, softwares here in Google Patent, which is under a particular company, which is protected by intellectual properties. So we cannot fully copy this one unless you created something new. Innovative designs by Microsoft, by Apple, by Google, they have this published in a patent website so that they could protect and they have the sole right to use it. So let's head over to handheld gaming console. According to this result, it was applied for patenting last 2012 and it was officially filed by 2013. As you can see, there's a 1-year gap for this, and it was published after 2 years. It took 2 to 3 years of processing for this to be published and be granted a right. Google Patent does not have similar buttons shown in the Google Scholar. Now let's head over to handheld gaming console. Any patents being published should be fully disclosed to the public, telling the public that this was the device or software they've created. And if you want to follow it, make sure that your design is not the same with theirs, or else you will be sued for patent infringement. So more on that patent infringement on a different topic. But for now, let me just discuss Google Patent as a tool for your referencing and related literatures. So as you can see, there's a view for Google Patent. It shows everything about the invention. So it's fully disclosed and you can download it. So if you want to cite this on your study, you just head over to Google Scholar again. As compared to Google Scholar, there was a button for your double quote, but the double quote is not available here. So that's why Google Scholar a while ago has a include patent. So just head over again to Google Scholar. This time, you should copy this unique identifier, which is the patent number. A while ago, we were searching on the Google Scholar Student Online Learning, which we unchecked include patents, and also we've clicked on since 2016. So in order for us to see that patent, because it's not the latest patent, it's 2014, we would like to click on anytime for the range. Paste here the patent number and search. So notice it is a handheld gaming console. There are new patents applied utilizing the patent, but we have it here, handheld gaming console. Now, if you want to cite them, of course, just do the same and click on the double quote button and you have your APA. So that is how you utilize Google Patent and Google Scholar to look for a citation for that particular patent.